In today's video, I will be showing you how to add alt text to images in Microsoft Word. Alt text is mostly used by screen readers when trying to explain what an image is conveying to visually impaired students, okay? So that is the most common use for this. How do you add the alt text? Simply right-click on the image that you have. Once you right-click on that image, you will see this menu that will appear. So simply go and select Format Picture. Once you select Format Picture, you will see these four icons that appear at the top of this menu right here, okay? When those icons appear, go ahead and select the third icon, which is labeled Layout and Properties. Once you select it, proceed and select Alt Text. On selecting Alt Text, you can now input whatever text, whatever description that you wish the image to have, okay? So I can say a house, or let me write it, a house on a sunny day, okay? Just write something simple, or any description that you have pertaining the image. And once you are done, go ahead and click this arrow right here and click on Close. And you have added the alt text. And that is simply how you add alt text to an image in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, and please make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.